Happy Wellness and Wednesday, babes. So, you know that Alba Botanica acne note I always use? Today we're not. We're getting rid of it today. So, I thought I would start off this Wellness and Win Wednesday with some nice skincare and updated skincare routine with Sarah V. And I found this amazing new line, or it's not a new line, it's a Korean brand, if I'm not mistaken, from Glow Recipe. And I've just been in love with their serums and their products. So, we're going to get into this updated skincare routine. So, first, I'm starting off with the CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser. It actually doesn't foam. So, if you guys are wondering, if you're taking a look at it and you're like, where's all the bubbles and foam? This is actually not the foaming cleanser. This is just the regular hydrating cleanser. So the thing that I love about this is that I'm really used to products that dry out my skin. So oftentimes I have to use a toner afterwards and maybe a little bit heavier of a cream. Y'all know me, I like my ombre elise. But today we're doing something a little different because baby, this CeraVe left all the moisture in my skin, which is really super important, especially if you're like me and you get super dry in the wintertime. You're normal in the summer, and then you are headed over to the dry side in the wintertime because the air is drier. So after running my cleansers, I do have the Glow Recipe Hyaluronic Acid and the Vitamin C Guava Plum Cream, and it is amazing. So initially you take about 2 pumps, as you can see, and then I'm just rubbing not the alcohol. I was gonna say, ooh, I haven't done that since I was a teenager. Rubbing the hyaluronic acid onto my face. But before actually putting on the vitamin C solution, you're going to see me kind of pat that hyaluronic acid into my skin and just give it just a little bit of time. You definitely want to let it absorb first before adding the topical cream. So I know y'all just saw me pumping on my hand, but I really actually did wait before putting on the vitamin C. Now, vitamin C, I would think, is more of like a PM treatment. You can use it as a PM treatment. However, with this one, you can also use it as a day treatment as well. And as you can see, it just really brings back the hydration in my face. And then the vitamin C helps to combat any discoloration. Y'all gonna have to ignore the blackness under my eyes because of the fact that I just took off some mascara and it's really hard to get off. As y'all can see, I love my Fix Plus. I know you're probably looking at me like, girl, that is primer. But it really does do a good job of holding in moisture. As you can see, I didn't use no moisturizer. And look at that skin. Bouncy, glowy, looking luscious and supple. And especially once the ingredients absorb, it looks even better. So here is me. Sorry, babes, I lost a little bit of the footage, but that's really it, babe. A really quick, simple, updated skincare routine if you have normal to dry skin. I think I love this routine because it's so dang simple. So I hope you babes enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button on your way out and then head on over to our Instagram and Facebook, Babe Squad, because we're there waiting on you, girl.